Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Fusion, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you need to find where guys the E-shifter fuse is located, also known as I-shifter fuse, stay with us, we'll explain about that. It's hidden in a place that most people don't even know it exists. We'll explain how you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, and why guys it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, the I-shifter fuse, also known as E-shifter fuse, where you can find it, we need to work in a fuse box that's under the hood. Go ahead, open the hood, and here guys, okay, what we have now specifically guys, okay, we need to look at that fuse box right here. You can see where the T is. Go ahead, open that cover, that's the main engine fuse box. Now the fuse is not here guys. Actually, if you release 2 tabs, that fuse box will flip on the side, and on the bottom of that fuse box you're going to have more fuses that looks like this one. Now before we continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So for the I-shifter guys, we need to check one fuse specifically. You wonder where it's located. Okay, depending on the year you will or you will not have this one, depending on which shifter you have as well. But if you're looking for it guys, you see this, you have 1, 2, 3 fuses in a row. Our center one is missing. Actually guys, the one that you need to check is fuse number 76, and we're talking about exactly that fuse right here. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.